As cloud computing continues to transform the IT landscape, the role of a cloud architect has become increasingly vital. If you're preparing for a cloud architect interview, it's essential to anticipate certain questions that may arise. So, are you ready for the top 5 job interview questions for cloud architects and how to answer them? Let's get started. Hi friends, I'm Mia from CVguys, India's leading CV experts. Here are 5 critical questions, along with guidance on how to craft compelling responses that showcase your expertise and experience in cloud architecture. Number 1. What experience do you have with cloud platforms? This question serves as an opportunity for you to highlight your hands-on experience with various cloud platforms. When answering, be specific about the platforms you've worked with, such as Amazon Web Services or AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform or GCP. Crafting your response. Detail your experience by outlining your overall experience in cloud computing. Mention how long you've been working with cloud technologies and the specific roles you've held. Highlight projects by discussing particular projects where you utilize these platforms. For instance, explain how you designed a cloud infrastructure for a startup or migrated an on-premises application to the cloud. Focus on outcomes by emphasizing the results of your work. Did you improve system performance or reduce costs or enhance security? Quantifying your achievements can make your response more impactful. Example response. I have over 5 years of experience working with various cloud platforms, primarily AWS and Azure. In my previous role at XYZ Corp, I led a project to migrate our legacy applications to AWS. This involved designing a scalable architecture using EC2 instances and RDS for our databases. As a result, we reduced our operational costs by 30% and improved application performance significantly. Number 2. How do you determine which cloud platform is the best fit for an organization? This question assesses your analytical skills and understanding of different cloud environments. Interviewers want to know how you evaluate options based on organizational needs. Crafting your response. Discuss key factors. Talk about the criteria you consider when evaluating cloud platforms, such as cost-effectiveness, scalability, compliance requirements, and specific use cases. Use real-world examples. Share instances where you'd had to make such decisions in past roles. Explain the factors that influenced your choice and how it benefited the organization. Example response. When determining the best cloud platform for an organization, I consider several factors including budget constraints, scalability needs, and regulatory compliance. For instance, while working with a healthcare client, we opted for Azure due to its strong compliance features that aligned with HIPAA regulations. This decision not only met their security requirements, but also provided seamless integration with their existing Microsoft services. Number 3. How do you ensure the security of cloud environments? Security is paramount in any cloud architecture role. This question allows you to demonstrate your knowledge of best practices and tools used to secure cloud environments. Crafting your response. Outline security measures. Discuss various strategies you implement to secure data and applications in the cloud. This may include encryption methods, identity and access management, IAM, and regular security audits. Mention compliance standards. Highlight any relevant compliance standards that guide your security practices, such as GDPR or ISO 27001. Example response. To ensure the security of cloud environments, I implement a multi-layered approach that includes encryption of data at rest and in transit, strict IAM policies to control access, and regular security assessments using tools like AWS Inspector. Additionally, I stay updated on compliance requirements such as GDPR to ensure architecture meets all necessary regulations. Number 4. How do you design for scalability in cloud environments? Scalability is one of the main advantages of using cloud services. This question assesses your ability to create systems that can grow seamlessly with demand. Crafting your response. Explain scalability techniques. Discuss techniques such as auto-scaling groups, load balancing, and serverless architectures that help maintain performance during peak usage times. Provide examples. Illustrate your approach with real-world examples where you successfully designed scalable solutions. Example response. In designing for scalability, I leverage auto-scaling groups in AWS to dynamically adjust resources based on traffic patterns. For example, during peak seasons at my previous company, we implemented auto-scaling for our e-commerce platform, which allowed us to handle a 200% increase in traffic without any downtime. Additionally, I used elastic load balancing to distribute incoming traffic evenly across multiple instances. Number 5. Describe a complex migration project you led. This question evaluates both your technical skills and project management capabilities. It's an opportunity to showcase your ability to lead significant initiatives. Crafting your response. Detail the project scope. Start by describing the project's objectives and scope, what was being migrated and why. Discuss challenges faced. Talk about any challenges encountered during the migration process and how you overcame one. Highlight results. Conclude by sharing the outcomes of the migration, how it improved operations or reduced costs. Example response. I recently led a complex migration project where we transitioned an entire suite of legacy applications from on-premises servers to AWS. The main challenge was ensuring minimal downtime during the transition while maintaining data integrity. We developed a phased migration strategy that involved extensive testing before each phase went live. Ultimately, we completed the migration ahead of schedule and achieved a 40% reduction in infrastructure costs while improving application performance by 50%. By preparing thoughtful responses to these questions, you'll be well equipped to demonstrate your qualifications for a cloud architect role effectively. Remember that interviews are not just about answering questions. They are also an opportunity for you to showcase your problem-solving skills and strategic thinking.